Everyone has an opinion about jollof rice. Who makes the best one? Whose rice is smokier? Whose is more seasoned? The debate never ends. But there is a rice that doesn't argue. It doesn't even need to. It just sits there, quietly fragrant, creamy in a way that jollof rice never is. And the people who know. Guess what? It's coconut rice. The one that shows up at the best parties, gets finished before anything else on the table, and somehow it doesn't get the credit. Today, we're making it the classic way, the way it's meant to taste. No shortcuts, no guessing, just coconut rice, done right. Let's get into it. So in my pot here, I have coconut oil, I have diced onion, and now I'm adding in the tomato paste. Now you're going to add all three and then allow it to fry. Once it's all crumbled up, the tomato paste, and the color changes from bright red to dark red, then you know your tomato paste is ready and you can go on with the other ingredients. Now this is what I mean, okay? So here I added in the onion, bell pepper, and tomato mace. I just blended them roughly together and I'm adding it in right now. And now my bell pepper mix is well cooked, and then I will just add in my thyme. I added in curry, seasoning, and then salt. That's everything I season this food with. Feel free to use as much seasoning or as little as you want. Like I always say, it's your food. So do what makes you happy, okay? And then now I'm just adding in crayfish. Now crayfish takes this food to from 0 to 100. And then I added in some catfish, like dried catfish, but I didn't show that in the video. But feel free to add that if you have any, or skip it and just add enough crayfish, okay? So now I just added the white rice. Now I'm not using basmati rice for this food because I feel like basmati rice will not give me that creamy effect I want. I don't know if you feel like otherwise, let me know in the comment section, okay? And now I added in my coconut milk. Now the only difference here is that I couldn't get my hands on coconut so I can express the milk myself, so I just used the store-bought coconut milk. But if you have the coconut and you can express it yourself, perfect. And then I just added in goat meat stock and allow it to cook. Now this is what the rice looks like. This is exactly what I'm going for. I don't want it dry. I don't want it how you cook rice sometimes and you want it the grains to be separated. No, I want it to be creamy, to get that creamy coconut taste from it, and then look and texture. That's what I'm going for. So here I just added in the goat meat. I don't want to fry it or even fry it or anything. No, I just want it juicy, moist, and everything. So I just added it in there and then stir everything together. That way the goat meat will also have coconut flavor, okay? So the last thing I added is just spring onion. I always have spring onion, cut them and then put them in Ziplocs and store them in the fridge or freezer depending on how long I want to. So just put it. That's everything you want. Food is ready. Now this is how I plated for myself and my husband, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you get to try it. This food is delicious. It's creamy. It's giving you that creamy vibe. Let me know if you actually like this video, okay? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment, okay? Take care. See you next time. Bye.